Hi guys, my name is Daniel Joy and I'm a student of Funny Computer Hub. What I've learned so far in our Wednesday's discussion class is when you have a mindset of a parrot, you can never fly like an eagle. This is a parable that meant a lot of things. When you know that God has given you the ability to do things with your powers, but you have the mindset that no, I cannot do this, you underrate yourself. Just know that you're not going anywhere. You're not going to make a good impact to the society. Your voice won't be heard in the society, and life of people won't be impacted with it. So I will urge you to do not have a mindset of a local champion, but to make an international impact.
Hi, my name is Ifa in Favor. So I've learned a lot of things in our Wednesday discussion session, especially one of the topic we treated stand out from the crowd. So that topic is all about we should be different from everybody in the world. We should not do what others did so that it will be that we are part of them, so that people will say, hey, that she's like us and people will accept you. Just do what you know is right. Do the things that you know that will please God instead of you start going and start doing others just to make others feel that you are among them. Thanks.
My name is Obia Eberikwe. What I learned from our discussion section topic says gift versus talent. Talents are those natural abilities that we have inside of us. Then gifts are those special abilities which are given to us by God. Then example of talents are teaching, playing of piano, playing footballs. Then my own example of talent is teaching. Also, I have the joy of teaching people, and I feel that that is my talent. Then gifts. My gift is dreams or visions. I can see visions through dreams and tell people to save their life. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Grace and I'm here to share one or two things I've learned from our Wednesday discussion. And what I've learned so far is about to be a creator and not a consumer. And throughout the discussion, you might not be a consumer, but at least you have to create one thing or the other.
My name is Henry Chukwuebuka. What I've learned so far is gifts. Gifts are those things that God gave to us.
Hi guys, my name is Wanika Mesh. I'm here to say about gifts and talent. Gifts are the special thing given to us, while talent are what you are going to do.
Hello everyone, my name is Happiness. I'm here to say what I've learned so far throughout the family discussion. I learned how to pray, how to read my Bible, and I learned to attend Bible study every day. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Wokoro Sopro. I'm here to say what I've learned in Funny Wednesday discussion lesson. What I learned is that who you are. For me, who I am is to make my family proud and to make the country also proud. So for you to know who you are, you have to do the thing. You have to follow God's words and do what you have to do so you will know who you are. Thanks.
My name is Joachim Augustine. I'm a student of Funny Computer Hub. I want to share with you what I learned from the Wednesday discussion. The topic I learned most is having a skill and making use of your skills. It's not all about just learning skills. What impact do you make in the community with your skills? Do you worship God with your skills, or you just learn because others are learning?
My name is Yodo Someone. What I've learned so far in our Wednesday discussion section is talent. Talent are those natural things you are born with.
My name is Onsli Keshidera. What I learned so far in our Wednesday discussion section is repentance. Repentance is when somebody giving his or her life to Christ.
My name is Mary Cynthia. What I've learned so far is from our Wednesday discussion is gifts. Gifts are those things you are not born with, but to have it.
And then talk about the discussion we had on Wednesday. I learned that
it is important to know who you are. Because if you know who you are, then you know at certain points. But if you don't know who you are, then you don't know where to start from. Thanks.
My name is Oji Victor, and I'm a student of Funny Computer Hub. What I learned so far from our Wednesday moral instruction is about talent. Talent are those things that we are born with and what we can do perfectly. And talent are also those things that we aren't being taught about it.
Hello guys, my name is Oyen Question. I'm a student of Funny Computer Hub. I'm here to discuss a topic which is distraction. Distraction can be unnecessary things one do that has no benefit from it. Example of things that can be distracted are, example, you may be doing what you want to do and at the same time operating your phone. So that can be distraction. Things that you can make not to be distracted is if you want to focus on what you want to do, you remove all any distracting materials like phone or televisions. Just only focus on what you want to do. That will help your future to be good.
My name is Chidevi Bobara, a Funny Computer Academy student. Okay, in our discussion class, I learned that we don't need to compare ourselves with others. Instead of comparing ourselves with others, we need to discover our own ability. We need to discover our own skills to be valuable in society.